Good morning from my Airbnb in Sydney. Seems like I'm the only bird, so I just let Peter sleep and went for a walk to Queen's Park, which is pretty much nearby. And it felt like every single person living in Sydney was there going for a walk, run, like with their friends, their dogs, their kids, or riding their bikes. I even saw a guy riding a horse. So very cool experience and very interesting first impression of Sydney, and I can't wait to explore the city with Peter.
Good morning. We wanted to go to the Opera House, to a spot we found yesterday, but it's raining. But it was worth it. It's pretty cool to see the city wake up. Now we're gonna take some photos and then walk over to the Opera House because we haven't done that yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Opera House. What did you get?
Decaf mocha iced shake.
Steam noodles.
Cocktails coming. Looks like us. The barriers garden? Yeah. Over there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First she needs to do the important stuff, taking photos of everything, so you can see it.
Get into the picture slowly.
You should film.
Yeah, I should do that. Cheerio! This looks cool. Mine looks cooler than
Wow, that's good. I'm glad I got mine.
Ooh. Oh, this is so sweet.
I would like to be at this spot.
Hear it when they launch.
So our first impressions from Sydney were like, I don't know, the city is just so interesting, so
Active.
yeah, cool, active. Like it seems people are living such a healthy and balanced life, and it's not like work is so important. Like work is important, but work is just a part of their life.
Yeah, the balance is very important. Like it seems you work, but then you have so much free time. You can go running with your friends or do something or go to a yoga class in the morning. This adds to the vibe of the city. It's so
Like people are
fresh.
so happy.
Yeah.
They're like at work, in the park, like everyone is in a good mood and everyone is super polite, like not only kind but very polite.
They wait for you to get out of the bus, or they wait for you like at the fountain before. There were 3 outlets on the fountain. I filled up my bottle and people were waiting so they can fill their bottle. At home they would go just
Like at home they would be in a rush and they would be like, oh, oh. And here like everyone's just really, really cool.
and chilled, and they have time and not in a rush.
The
Yeah.
whole city has such a cool vibe. Like it's so big, but there are not that many people living here. You have the numbers, right?
Yeah, 5.5 million in 2023. So
So it's not that big, and like there were so many parks and so many the places we know from our recent travels. If there's a cool place, like a popular place, it's super, super crowded. And yesterday at the Opera House, well, our sunrise at the Opera House was a little bit cloudy, but then eventually it brightened up and it wasn't like there were like tons of people. So that's pretty cool too. Today morning we got up and we drove with the bus to Coogee and we did this coastal beach walk. So currently we're at Bondi and later we're going to see the Opera House from the inside. But first, let's have some breakfast. So I try to hold myself back. Did you turn off the camera?
did I?